guys, what's up? Today we have the it's a V8. Yeah, that's why I couldn't get. But today I won this at auction. The problem with it runs and drive, good engine, but the entire body started rusting out. It was up in Virginia, so as you can see, serious rust problem. We're gonna have several videos redoing this, but for now I'm rebuilding the master cylinder. We're gonna do a little clean up the brake fluid pressure sensor went bad on this one. So at first I was gonna replace the entire master cylinder till I realized, what am I doing? I should just blow I should just spray clean it with brake fluid cleaner, apply a new pressure sensor and reconnect it to the boots. As I say, it has rusting problem. We'll be approaching it shortly, but I do have a landscaping and maintenance company that has been down for 2 months because no truck. I've been having to rent vehicle to get works done, so I'm trying to put this together as quick as possible to get back as quick as possible. So I'll be showing you how to rebuild the master cylinder, and also I'll be treating all of this rust problem I'm having as we go along. Yeah, but it's gonna be okay. So I just hit that to get started. I'll be hitting it with probably several coats of this over the series of a couple months there, and then we'll be doing a video on undercoating. If anybody know a specific brand of undercoating that I should use for optimum result, can talk to me. Okay, so the first thing we'll be doing is we'll be cleaning this up. Spray it, clean it out, and then we'll reattach it to the brake cylinder, which is simple, guys. Okay guys, here it is. Clean it up to the best of my ability. As I said, it's a low budget operation. As I said, it's a work truck, so kind of just need it up and running, Okay guys, so what did I do with the I got it here. So, okay, this is it. I went to get this from Pick and Pull. Just okay, so okay guys, and here is the final product. So as you can see, reconnecting it to the boot is simple. You simply guide the master cylinder over the two I don't even know what to call these, stud or whatsoever, and guide it over it, fits it onto the pistons inside the boot. So you make sure everything is fit snug, and it fits automatically if you have the right part. So make sure your part is matching, and so you fit it onto the piston over the two welded on thing, and you bolt it down. These I think are 14 millimeters. I'm not sure. I'm not giving you any specific, and they vary depending on the car you're working on. But 12 to 14, and then you re-secure the brake line to the master cylinder. I had to replace this entire brake line. It rotted and broke on me, so I had to replace this. I reflare the head of it. This one, however, I haven't replaced. I need to now. I reflared the head of this one, but it wasn't reflared properly, so now the brake fluid leak. As I say, I'm crushing for time. Won't have the chance to go underneath it again till weekend, so I might do an update on how to flare by weekend. This is the brake fluid pressure sensor reconnected to its harness and everything, and then the master cylinder, you reconnect the harness wire to the master cylinder, and that should be it. So it's simple as breaking off 2 bolts on each side, firmly removing it, break off these as well. Make sure you remove all the harness. You remove it. If you need to replace it, break it down and clean it. That's what you should do. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Tune in next time.